In this video, we are going to show you how to adjust an 8000 or 8100 series door panel that is out of alignment. When installing an all-weather sliding door, it is important to ensure that the sliding door panel fits properly into the door jamb without gapping. This will help to ensure weather tightness and proper locking functionality. You can see here that the gap in this door gets wider as it goes up the door jamb. An adjustment can easily be made by inserting a long Phillips head screwdriver into the hole located at the base of the sliding panel. When you feel the screwdriver engage the screw head, turn counterclockwise to lower the bottom corner of the panel, or turn the screwdriver clockwise to raise it. In this example, we will raise the bottom corner by turning the screwdriver 5 times clockwise. Once the adjustment is made, check to confirm the reveal is even all the way up and test the lock to make certain it properly engages. We hope this video was helpful. Should you need further assistance with your 8000 or 8100 series door, please feel free to contact us.